lines, crossing the illogical frontier, passing barriers, twisting perceptions till they come clear. I'm ahead of my time, like I jumped years and came back the same trash they played and gave me plump tears. Amongst peers, my mojo's funky like a skunk beer. Nothing to give a motherfucker, lest they want tears. Defying science, I'm implying I'm Bill Nye, rhyming minus all the silence. I'm quiet, but I'm kinda violent. Trying the guys like a Heimlich from the Iron Giant, or getting smitten from lightning, or Poseidon's trident. Strike like Vikings, I'm Tyson, I could bite a bison. Plate the heightness, grab a knife and I slice your eyelids. Supply the virus, abide all your lying fires. I'm a wild rhymer, any line can rise a geyser. Displaying talent. Now here's a proposition: drop your ratings and adapt to a more proper living. When Papa's spitting, it's not a gimmick. My competition's composition is weak. With me, they stop and listen. My opposition to stop these mimics is optic vision. Plain and simple, just as easy as object lifting. I'm a mystery. I dare you to solve this riddle. Too hot when I rap, my tongue dissolves a little. Ha ha. And I'm clean as a polished whistle. You suck balls and dick hole till it's 3, 2, 1, launch the missile. Shit, I'm Jet Li with these check sneaks. Niggas frontin' swag, I am lemonade, fresh squeeze. I'm just warming up, this is simply suppressed heat produced by morticians. They tag when I select beats.
Assuming I'm human is foolish, I'm human and cruel as a Ruben. Students influenced by politics and drug units.
Move with the movement and choose to get executed. A revolution based off retribution, I'm a deadly nuisance. Selective essence fusions, electrocution with projection. Shooting soft as Betty Boot in a coochie that is extra loosened. The shit is ratchet as chicks are crabs in an itchy acid. And I spit it rapping, my raps are mixed with acidic acid. Off the map, I'm a spaz nigga, toss your raps. I'm the fucking truth, and my best friend's a polygraph. Yeah, my rhymes equivalent to divine exchange. Hell of a decision, hot enough to make the climate change.
Fresh.
Playing with flames, and you claim that I'm insane.
Fresh.
Barking beef, come on, Goonie, make your iron bang.
Or get punched, that's a Hawaiian thing. Like pulling triggers and make it pop. All I talk is fire, so I can say I'm hot. Exterminated in these cribs, my homie sprayed a lot. I think a little homie, but always say a lot. I'm sick like what you say to Doc. I ain't even at the game, cause I don't play a lot. I'm harder not burning up like the blaze of rock. Suit and tie, they say I'm out. Who do I say I'm not? The April baby's high, and never fucking may I drop. I'm at the usual place, like a vacation spot. Got an awesome fuck, and her amazing twat. Licking my lips, yeah, I taste her box. Give it a combo, won't change the locks. A small walk, call that baby socks. You all talk, don't say you not. Fuck you is what I say to cops. Community service, but what the fuck I say to cops? So I ain't a snitch, so call me a dog, I ain't a bitch. Fuck all you talk, pussy lips, real rap, Christmas gifts. As soon as they start to finish shits, I got drive like in the whips. I'm smart to pop this pill, limitless. Take what I want, like give me this. You thinking that, I'm thinking this. Differences, I ain't kidding. I go 3 times harder, triplet kids. Out the hat, I'm paid for that pussy, like pimping tricks. Say it's an accident, like when your finger slips and the trigger's in. Why those bullets all hit your bitch? Got your gun on the side, ironically a bullet's in your hips. Robbing them out in local houses, like running into cribs. And whooping parents' asses, like they give to their kids. I'm nasty, syphilis. You looking at a blurry photo, can't see what the picture is. No smooches, I'm talking shit. My ass is where your fucking kisser is. I go hard, pussy. Like dick and chicks. 3 girls singing Dixie Chicks. After I swallow that pussy, I only spit with this. I'm JD with coke, that's what the mixture is. My ass feel like the wheel when I spinning shit. Negativity, I'm a member in, so I already given in to a mischief clique. They died off, so I'm alive. With revoked membership, I'm high about where my level get. I'm an asshole in the sky, scheming on devil shit.
On dope, I never been so dope. Like a syringe getting in, eating to sleep like beat to get in bit.